All right, guys, welcome back. Here we are again, my kitchen, guys. Um, Today's video is part of a collaboration called "This Is My Thing." This month is usually not usually, but it's host at the last Monday of every month, and the main host is Maria from Yetras Creaciones. I will link her channel in my description box. And guys, this is an open collaboration. Anybody can participate and show us what is your thing. So this month, I am going to bring you guys a video. I will be cooking for my family. Of course, it's Memorial Day weekend, but we are not doing any barbecue or anything. So guys, back here, you guys can see I have a sparrow ham, and I'm going to be baking it, and I'm going to be making our traditional Spanish rice. Guys, also I'm going to be baking a cake. As you guys know, I love baking. So my grandson is here this weekend, and this is his favorite food, yellow rice. Right, Hayden? He said, yes, Grandma. So guys, I'm going to be making the yellow rice, and usually we put green pichet beans. They come in green, and they also come in like brown, because it's another brand. So guys, I'm going to be baking, and making a meal for my family. So there are more creators participating in this collaboration, from David Owen to, well, Marika's Creation. It's a lot of us. So guys, I'm going to place the playlist in my description box so you guys can go and check them out. And some of them have shopping haul, thrift haul, cooking, baking, and different things. So guys, like I said, this month I am going to bring you guys cooking video. Guys, I apologize about my bag. So the first thing I'm going to do, of course, turn on my stove and add a little bit of oil, and then I'm gonna add all my spices in the pot, and I will bring you guys closer. So guys, if this is the type of things that you like, this is the channel for you. Subscribe, share, leave a comment, and I will respond to you. And I'll also, those people that leave me comments, I go back to their home and I check out their videos, and I also give them thumbs up and like to leave them comments. So guys, also I want to ask, please watch the video in full content. Don't just hop on my video and, oh, thank you for sharing. You're telling me thank you for sharing. You don't know what I'm sharing because you're not watching the video. Let's be supportive. Like when I watch videos, I watch them to full content, and those are there got commercials. I also watch their commercials because that's how YouTubers get paid. So guys, I'll be right back with you, and I will show you all my ingredients that I will be adding in my pot. Guys, I added my spices to my pot. I added my chickpeas. I added adobo, black pepper, all Italian spices. My ham is already on the oven baking. So now I'm going to add my rice. Then from there, I'm going to move on to the cake. All right, guys, I added my rice to the pot of the spices. Right now it's starting to boil. Also, I'm gonna be start on the cake. I got my bowl on this side. For the cake, I don't know. I think I'm just gonna do all chocolate because that's what my grandson loves. So let's get that going. And again, today I am not doing cake from scratch because I am doing a lot. So I'm using a box I do like doing cake from scratch when I have plenty of time, but I did not have enough time this time. And like I said, I use, instead of oil, I use butter for the flavor. Instead of water, I use milk with a little bit of water. And it gives it more of bakery type of flavor using the milk and the butter. Also, if you don't want to use butter or oil, you could also use applesauce. But I'm gonna use those two items. And of course, I'm gonna get the mix in. So I'm going to be making a small cake. As you guys can see, this is already open. So instead of using 3 full eggs, I will be using 2 eggs. And like I said, I do not measure ingredients when I add for the cake as well. So I baked for over 20 plus years, so I don't measure anything. My rice starting to get dry, so I'm going to stir the rice, start the cake, and I'll be right back, guys. So give me 1 second. All right, guys, so I stirred my rice. I added a little bit of water for it to steam. So the rice is almost done. I will check it again. I mix my cake, put it in the pan. The reason why you do this is for the bubbles to come up. So cake is going into the oven, guys, and I'm using my middle rack. There. So all right, guys. Let's see. I can see nothing. Hold on. So yeah, guys, this video is part of a collaboration called This Is My Thing. All right, guys, I took out the aluminum foil from the ham. I added the glaze. The cake is almost done. So guys, I'm going to be checking the rice. The rice should be done. And I'm going to bring you guys to the end of the video within few moments. Guys, and if you want to know the details how I made the rice, go and watch the live video. I'm just doing portions for this collaboration. All right, guys, my ham is almost done. I already put some glaze on it, as you guys can see. And remember, guys, I'm going to link everybody's channel in my description box. I also got the chocolate there. It's almost done as well. I still have maybe about 10 minutes. And I will show you guys my rice. And there is the rice. The rice is done. So I will turn it off now. And guys, I'm going to leave it like I always do. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you and Debbie also loves you too. It will be into the next one. Bye-bye, guys.